Hi guys, welcome to the channel. As always, a lot of money is going toward new tech, but not all gadgets are worthwhile purchases. There's a point of diminishing returns with almost any purchase, especially digital toys that depreciate the instant the box is opened. And let's take a look at some of the most expensive tech products in the world. Without further ado, let's begin. Vertego V4 Pro Pogo Stick. The first toy that you probably think of that could kill a kid easily is lawn darts. Second on that list might be a pogo stick. Now imagine that you buy a pogo stick that costs as much as the crappy car you bought in college. That's the Vertego V4 Pro. It's certainly high-end. Its sticker price is $439 with adjustable air pressure options so any size child or adult can get a bounce. Vertego says it's the most advanced pogo stick ever. Its video calls it a portable trampoline. Parents would probably prefer you skateboard without a helmet. The brave will take out a loan and get this stick. Hasselblad H5D60. The H5D60 medium format DSLR camera from Hasselblad is the 60 megapixel model of the new Hasselblad H system of medium format DSLR cameras. The H5D60 model contains a 4.2 by 53.7 mm 60 megapixel 6708 by 8956 CCD sensor. With its large light path, it creates high-resolution images with great clarity and color rendering without gradation breaks. Hasselblad's Natural Color Solution, HNCS, creates accurate colors with natural skin tones and an ability to capture specific product colors and tones that are difficult to reproduce. The improved Hasselblad image processing architecture ensures fast performance and transfer speed. The TrueFocus 2 autofocus system offers accurate autofocusing when recomposing images, and Immediate Focus Confirm (IFC) means there is no need to stop shooting to check if your shot was in focus. The DAC automated lens correction system relays information about capture conditions and the specific lens being used to tweak autofocus and metering for improved imaging results. Images are produced in the Hasselblad 3FR lossless compressed RAW files and 1:4 resolution print-ready JPEG files. RAW 3FR images are 80 megapixels on average, and TIFF 8-byte images are approximately 180 megabytes. PowerRay Underwear Drone. The PowerRay will allow you to explore a new world under the surface without even getting wet. Our 4K video and 12 megapixel camera allow you to capture beautiful cinematic scenes as you dive below the surface. Ever wonder what it looks like when a fish takes your bait? Now you can visualize it in real time and get to learn fish behaviors with the PowerRay. Keeping your boat in tip-top shape is really important. The PowerRay provides a first-hand look at any boat beneath the surface. Need to check your props, hull, or mooring lines? The PowerRay can do all of this and more. No need to hire a diver again when you have the PowerRay. Have you ever dreamt of finding hidden treasure or wanted to explore around a sunken ship? With the PowerRay, you can do both. With a range of up to 230 feet and diving capability of 98 feet, the treasures of the world are waiting for you. The PowerRay has many uses, and one of the biggest would have to be commercial inspections. From piers to drain pipes, this amazing ROV tool can help any professional who does work from beneath the surface. With tons of use cases and a product that is reliable and easy to use, the PowerRay is the perfect work companion. The PowerRay was born a true marine biologist. This product has already helped on many scientific research missions. From shellfish farms to exploring white shark behaviors, this product is very useful in underwater research. Exploring marine life has never been so easy and accessible. If you are enjoying the video, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos just like this. The Sojourner Keyboard. Looking as though it has traveled the world in the backpack of an intrepid explorer, the Sojourner is crafted in polished brass, then artificially tarnished. This keyboard is reminiscent of an earlier era, when beauty and technology went hand in hand. Featuring a unique parchment Elizabethan typeface, a brown-aged leather faceplate, and amber jewel indicators that befit the overall aesthetic of the keyboard. At the heart of every Datamancer keyboard are electronics chosen for their superior quality and adaptability. German-engineered Cherry MX Blue mechanical switches are used on each keyboard. These key switches feature a tactile click reminiscent of a vintage typewriter and are rated at 50 million keystrokes. DIP switches allow hardware-level support for QWERTY, Dvorak, and Colemak keyboard layouts that work on Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems. Lastly, Function (FN) media controls come standard. Kaiser Encore. Perhaps the most impressive thing about Noble Audio products is that the engineers take their craft very seriously. Each IEM is hand-assembled and matched perfectly by dedicated audiologists and passionate music enthusiasts to give you, the listener, the ultimate music enjoyment. The Encore retains the musical essence of the K10. Noble Audio loves crafting great-sounding earphones. Compared to regular dynamic drivers, balanced armature drivers offer accuracy and sound detailing that can't be possible with just one driver. The best thing about the balanced armature sound is that the music comes alive, becomes more immersive, and presents the natural space between mids, lows, and highs very well. The Noble Audio Kaiser comes with a detachable cable with an industry-standard 2-pin configuration. Each pin is of a diameter of 0.78 millimeters. The Kaiser Encore is a special product. Noble Audio has used its proprietary drivers, resulting in supremely refined audio. The precision-machined creative aluminum housing, designed and manufactured locally in California, greatly adds to the durability as well as form factor. DeVita Silver Phantom. Considered by many the most powerful, loudest Bluetooth speaker made to date, the DeVita Phantom line starts at 3,000 watts to pump up the volume to 105 decibels. But it's not just about shaking the walls. This speaker just sounds great by all reports. The $2,390 Silver Phantom is just the beginning. The Gold Phantom is $2,990 and shoots up to 4,500 watts. There's also the Silver Stereo System for $5,109 with 2 speakers, plus a hub called Dialogue that connects them all wirelessly across rooms. It supports up to 24 Phantom speakers. Save some money and get the 750-watt Phantom White for $1,990. Chopard 201 Carat Watch. Chopard is known for making watches that are a cut above the rest. Not only does every timepiece in the company's collection boast superb quality, but each one has a highly unique design that sets it apart from other styles. This is especially true of the 201 Carat Chopard watch, a dazzling accessory made in 2000 that brings a whole new meaning to luxury. At the center of the gleaming white gold and yellow gold hardware is an internally flawless heart-shaped pink diamond that weighs 15.37 carats, a 12.79 carat heart-shaped blue diamond, and a flawless heart-shaped D-colored diamond weighing 11.36 carats. Each of those stones is set in a bracelet that also contains clusters of 206 pear-shaped D-colored flawless diamonds and 91 round D-colored flawless diamonds weighing 10.29 carats total, which are arranged into flower shapes that feature a round 8.81 carat yellow diamond in the center. Additionally, 26 pear-shaped yellow diamonds that together weigh 17.07 carats are scattered throughout the bracelet. It's not just the sparkle factor that makes this watch such a stunner. Richclair noted that when one presses the spring-loaded mechanism in the piece, the 3 heart-shaped stones open like flower petals exposed to the sun, exposing the pavé-set watch face, which contains 3 pear-shaped yellow diamonds that total 8.45 carats. That's all, guys. Let me know down in the comments section below which one of them you'd like the most. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.